Alright, so section 5.2, classroom exercise 1. We've got a figure where opposite sides are the same length. And so by theorem 5.4, since these are congruent and these are congruent, it's a parallelogram. Done. Okay. Number 2, never mind the diagonals. We've got that parallel to that, and 9 and 9. So by theorem 5.5, it's a parallelogram. Okay. Number 4. Yes, number 4. We've got something like that. Notice this diagonal bisects this one, and this one bisects this one. And so by theorem 5.7, it's a parallelogram. Okay. Number 5. We've got this information, and that's not enough to know it's a parallelogram, because it could be 90 and 120. It doesn't have to be 110 and 110. There's nothing that tells us that it must be 110 and 110, because it doesn't say anything about parallel lines. We do not know anything's parallel. You know, we can have two 70-degree angles and move them in all kinds of different ways to connect with the other lines. So you have to be careful and understand that those are not necessarily 110. You know, you got to think about reality. Like I say, you're fixed with two 70-degree angles. What can you do with them? You know, opposite lines do not have to be parallel. We can put these together in all kinds of different ways. Can make all kinds of different angles, top and bottom. So you don't know that one's a parallelogram. Whereas number 6, we have a similar thing, but we're given this as a 110. So these are supplementary. When you have same side interior that are supplementary, these are parallel. Okay, likewise, top and bottom, these are supplementary, and when they're same side interior angle supplementary, then you know these are parallel. So that is a parallelogram in contrast to number 5. Number 7. That is parallel to that, and those are 90, but these are supplementary, and they're same side interior angles. That means that and that are parallel, so it's a parallelogram. So once you know some of the theorems, it makes some of this stuff a lot easier. You're not going to go through a bunch of reasoning with triangles. Alright, on to section 5.3.